Mood. They're a little, and I appreciate your patience while we got that worked out. My name's Allison. Thanks for riding with us. Just a couple of safety reminders to please keep your hands, feet, and other items inside the train.
It's so cute.
If you drop something, let me know. I'll walk the tracks, retrieve it, and get it back to you. And please stay seated throughout the ride until we come to a complete stop at the end.
Drop something. Someone ring the bell.
Hear the bell dinging, Alina?
So the pond is home to all kinds of wildlife. We have fish, frogs, turtles, toads. This is a great blue heron that likes to come stay with us.
See the heron? Ooh, look!
Mommy got a picture of one of those once.
Water.
Chuck, our resident
town.
woodchuck here,
And then there's
is
a
about to
woodchuck
disappear
here.
down his hole.
We see those out all the
Maybe.
time.
Yep, there he
Oh, he
goes.
went in the hole. He went in the hole. You're not
But
going to
really
see him
the pond
anymore.
is for trumpeter swans. And we have one of those. His name's Cujo. He's down on, just came around the island back there.
Are you happy we got to ride the train? Yeah.
Kids Kingdom is the best playground in the city.
Yep, you went already and played there.
Yeah, so much fun.
Of course, it's the only playground that has a miniature donkey,
They
two
go,
llamas, and a herd of goats.
There's camels.
Alina.
I've seen
There
that.
are 6 lions here at the zoo. 4 of them have access to the side yard.
We've seen the lions
It
already.
is Monday, so it's extra special treat day for them.
Wednesday.
Yeah.
And it's also Tuesday.
Uh-oh.
All right, hang on.
When do you see the lions?
What happened, Mommy?
It died. The train died.
Uh-oh. Going backwards.
Now,
Ready to bail.
what is happening?
Watch your head. Oh boy.
Okay, hang on. Bear with me for just a minute or two.
See what happened there? There.